Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holders? So, Dogecoin holders, please subscribe our YouTube channel for more live price prediction and technical analysis videos. Please like and subscribe. Absolutely, in this video, I have very urgent update for all Dogecoin holder, and I hope my brothers you will be like this video. So, kindly like this video and subscribe this channel. My brother, the Dogecoin price will be very badly decreasing, especially in last 7 days. Not like this, no coin, my friend, will fails down. I cannot see, my friend, but definitely don't worry, my friend. If they were fails down, you can see here minus 21.65%. They are lost just in only in last 7 days. So don't worry, my friend. I hope the price will again recover now and they will moving upward. You can see here 0.3 USD dollar to the price will come 0.3 USD dollar to 0.2 USD dollar. So it's a very bad news, my friend, for all of you. But don't worry, don't see the short fails. Definitely I am 100% sure today will recover this all losses in only in a few days. My personal experience says that, my friends, to upcoming time there is a chance to Dogecoin is going to be viral now, because Elon Musk, there is a chance to they will collaborate with Elon Musk. So I am 100% sure, my friends, to absolutely, when I remember the first days, my friend, when Elon Musk from my friends promote this coin, definitely this coin is going the moon now. And 0.7 USD dollar, this is very high target, my friends. They are hit now just in only in 1 month. So this is one of the unique record, my friend, in a crypto market, and I hope they will also do this again. So be ready, holders, and please, if you want to earn money in a crypto, you will need, my friends, to subscribe this channel. So my prediction is positive. What's your prediction? Tell us in a comment box, and my opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box.